There we go. Welcome everybody. And thank you so much. Thank you for taking the time. Thank you for coming to watch and see what One For Me is all about. One For Me is the latest kid on the block, and we are going to make a lot of noise. Remember the name One For Me. My name is Neil Slater. I'm the founder and developer of One For Me. I'm a software engineer. I love building systems. I've been 25 years in the network marketing industry, so I've seen it all. I've seen a lot. And you're never in the industry long enough to learn more. I'm still learning and I'm still applying the stuff that I learn, all the good stuff. I'm just putting into One For Me. When I see something good and I put it in. I started building the One For Me system 2022 already. Okay, so I've been building on it for quite some time. We officially launched on the 1st of October. Just before our official launch, we had a pre-launch from the 1st of September. Within the 1st of September, what I did was I had a free period where I just went and I said, everybody who is interested, who wants to have a look at this, just go and build yourself a business page. I couldn't believe it. We had over 1,200 business pages built. Okay. Then we came to the end of the pre-launch and I launched on the 1st of October. And then we introduced this system with all the costs to it and everything. It slowed down, but until when we started until now, we've got over 1,800 registered business profiles out there. And I think that is phenomenal. I think it is incredible that we've got so many people that we are helping, so many people. And as you see, and as I'm going to do a little bit of a demonstration to you, you will see why this is doing so well. Okay. So my greatest passion is network marketing. I love network marketing. I built a tool specifically for entrepreneurs and network marketers because I love to see them succeed. I want to see you succeed. I want to see you do well. And so I want to see you do well in what you are doing, whether you are with Live Good, AI, Affiliate Mentor, what is the new one now? Momentum Tech, AI, any one of them, Save Club, even, Herbalife, all the old ones, it doesn't matter. I want to see you succeed. And I built One For Me to go with what you are doing. Okay. One For Me helps you turn your name into a brand and package your entrepreneurial efforts into one streamlined system. It puts it all together into one, bringing everything you do together under a single unified brand and turning that same effort into multiple streams of income. That is my goal. My goal is build your brand. Second of all, take your brand and turn it into a business that generates multiple streams of income by filling your basket with income generating products. Your network marketing company that you are with, whether it be Live Good, that is an income generating product. Whether you are with DuPont, that is an income generating product. Whether you are with Momentum Tech, that is an income generating product. One For Me, an income generating product. So what I'm saying is let's take all of these, what you are doing, income generating products, put them into one so that you can showcase them. When people ask you, what do? You send them your One For Me business page. When they ask, tell me more about your business, you send them your One For Me business page. That'll explain to them your Live Good, your Momentum Tech AI, your, whatever you do, you send them your One For Me business page. It is simple, powerful, and a powerful way to build your presence, connect with people, and grow smarter, not harder. And as a leader, it creates unity and duplication within your team, helping everyone stay consistent and moving forward together. I'm just going to share another screen. I want to show you just quickly what it looks like. Just quick. Okay. So this is basically a One For Me business page. This is my default page. When I want anybody to see what we do, when I do a video on TikTok and people ask me, tell me more, oof, this is what I send them. I say, go have a look at the 2 videos that I've got on there. If you're interested and you want more information and you want to ask questions, just come. I've got a link here for to chat to me directly. There is a link there. It connects to me directly on WhatsApp. If you want to email me, find me on Facebook or whatever. And then if you're interested, right at the bottom is a button that takes you to the One For Me welcome page. And that is what I do. When you're ready to go, when you're ready to connect, click on that. It's going to take you to the welcome page. And that is what it looks like. You click on that, get started. You put in your username, and then you just go. Poof. Once you're in, I'm not going to register right now. I'll go through that a little bit later. But once you're in, you will hit the back end. And this is what the back end looks like. Okay, so you will have your link, you will have a couple of small windows that you can see with a couple of pro tools. It's very, very sophisticated. It's got here a business page where you can set up your business page. Every single thing on your business page is a block. You can move this thing around. I've got extensive training videos on these, and we also have a lot of support and help where we can help you set all of that up. Okay, so I've also got a guide that can take you through, like for example, to put in your profile picture, make sure your number is correct, go through all of the stuff, your social URLs. Then it will lead you and it'll guide you through setting up the colors of your page to really set up your brand. The system is set up to help you do that. Okay, so that is all that you get in the back end. You also get tools in the back end where you can track your network. You'll be able to track your network with that. What is your network worth? You'll also be able to track your One For Me wallet. A lot of these are changing now because in the 1st of December, as Luke Kalen has probably told you, or as anybody said, we are launching our new. This system is still built on the old linear building a network system. But I learned and I saw how important it is to build a binary matrix. And I thought, before this thing takes off, I need to implement a binary matrix. And that to me, and that is what I've been working on for the last 3 or 4 weeks, is just to implement a binary matrix because of the power of a binary matrix. And you're going to get that. You're going to come in and you're going to join a business that has an incredible business page where you can put all your details on, all your information. You send it like you will send a flyer or a business card. But not just that. It's a system built on an income generating product. So as you go and you share it, you will start earning an income. And let me go a little bit more into that. So that is just a quick overview. There's a lot more about the system that meets the eye, but yeah, we will get into that later and in the training. But here we go. We are ready to rock and roll. The foundation is being laid. We have a proven product. This product has over 1,800 people loving it and using it. I've got people using One For Me who is not focused. They don't want to do network marketing. They don't want to do or build the business. They only want to use the product. That is so awesome. That is so cool. So I've got people doing that. We've got strong leaders in our team. We've got strong people who's going to take this One For Me to the next level. And we can see those people in Luke Kalen. If you are here by an invite with Luke Kalen, I'm doing this specifically for her invites and her team. You're in a strong team. You are in a very strong team. The compensation plan now is going to reward teamwork, duplication, and growth. It is incredible. Taking the system from a linear compensation plan to a binary matrix compensation plan is a world of difference. And it's going to be incredible. Okay, now getting started. You have a choice. You can come in with a lifetime license. So in other words, what you will do is you come in, it's going to cost you 150 Rand once off, and what you get is the business page. That's it. You can plug your business into the business page. You can showcase it. You can share it. People can use it. Wang Pangalang, nice and easy. That is 150 Rand. Just that. But then if you want to upgrade to Pro and you want to use the Pro version, that's 200 Rand a month. Now in the Pro version, you get all the Pro features that come with the system. So there are stuff that you can use in the Pro version, which aren't there with just the license activation fee. Okay, so there's a little bit of a difference. And the big thing, when you come in on the Pro version, you are plugging into the matrix. When you are just using the product, you are not plugging into the matrix. But what we want to do at One For Me is we want to give you the opportunity to always make money. Always. So I'm going to show you how with even both of these systems, whether you're a pro or not, you can still make money. But I'm going to get there. So that is what makes up the startup total of 350 Rand. If you're coming now, 350 Rand, and that gets you started. What is awesome about getting started now, what I've done is I've set the system up to only deduct the monthly subscription on the 1st of December, which means that the whole of December can run. In January, you'll go into a grace period, but you will have the entire January to again make the next monthly subscription. So you got 2 months and a little bit to start building your team, to start building your matrix, to enjoy spillover. And that is not the best of it. When you come into the matrix, we are planning and we are setting our sights on to go global, to go international. We've got people, our international friends are knocking on the door. They want to come in. They want to start using One For Me, but I'm holding them at bay as much as I can. Why? Because I want South Africa to first have an opportunity to plug in and benefit from an early entry. Okay, let's carry on. Risk-free, 30-day money back, no questions asked, guarantee. What else do you get? Bonuses. Quick start bonuses. You get 50 Rand for every lifetime license. That 150 Rand that gets paid, you get 50 Rand from that with every single one. That is quick start. That loads your wallet straight away, and that goes. What I haven't put into this slide right here is that gets paid in 2 levels. So the direct upline gets 50 Rand, and then the indirect upline gets 25 Rand. And that is just from the lifetime license, the 150 Rand. The 200 Rand gets plugged into the matrix. As your matrix grows in value, that gets paid out every cycle. Every cycle is per month. So on the 1st of each month, your wallet gets loaded. And it's a live wallet. Your wallet, you can withdraw the money anytime you want. There's no weekly payouts. It is whenever your wallet has a minimum of 160 Rand, you can withdraw from it. Oh, I'm going ahead of myself. So there you've got the wallet. 160 Rand minimum because there's a 10 Rand transaction fee with every wallet withdrawal. So there's no monthly debits. There is a monthly subscription. You need to understand the difference. So the monthly subscription is 200 Rand, but there's no monthly debits. I do not debit your bank account every single month with a debit run. No. I debit your One For Me Pro wallet. I debit your wallet. So your wallet can go into negative. So if your wallet is between 0 and minus 200 Rand, you are in a grace period. It means that you will have the whole next cycle to top up your wallet. So let's say you earning 50 Rand from your matrix, 50 Rand. So I pay 50 Rand into your wallet. Your wallet now is on positive 50 Rand. At the end of the month, the cycle runs. I debit your account with 200 Rand, which is your monthly subscription. Now your wallet is on 150 minus 150. That puts you into grace period. You only have to top up 150 Rand before the next cycle ends. So you only have to top up. You only have to top up the balance. So as your network grows, the less you physically have to pay every single month towards that 200 Rand monthly subscription. I hope that makes sense. If you've got any questions, please write them down, put them in the chat. I will take care of them as soon as we're finished with this presentation. Okay. If your wallet goes over minus 200, so let's say minus 250, the system automatically deactivates your account. So you go inactive and it takes you out of the matrix. Then every month there is a compression that happens. The matrix compresses, and if you want to join in again and you want to activate your account again, you're then going to fall in at the next available spot, which will be at the bottom of the matrix. So I've made it easy. I've made it very doable for you to stay active. You don't have to physically pay your 200 Rand every month. You only need to top up. If your account, if your matrix pays 70 Rand out, you only have to top up 130 Rand and keep yourself active. Okay, so when you register, you will see this activation page. The activation page shows the 600 Rand, which is the actual cost of the license fee. But we are running a 75% promotion at the moment. I'm not sure until for how long, but you need to put in a promo code. Now, the promo code is the person's username, but I've made it very easy. You see, there's a button on the page. You just press that button, it'll put the person's username into the promo code field automatically for you. And then all you do is you just click the green button that says apply the promo code. Boof. And once you've done that, the system will apply the discount, and then all you need to do is click on upgrade to pro. That is the 350 Rand there. Upgrade to pro, because when you upgrade to pro, you lock into the matrix. When you only pay for your lifetime license, you do not get added to the matrix. That is the 150 Rand once off. Never have to pay it again. Once you've paid it, so you can pay the 150 Rand now, and then maybe next month you can come in on the pro and then pay the 200 Rand. That will upgrade you to pro. Okay. But I did a small little poll. I asked people, why do they join network marketing companies? And this was their response. I want to make extra money. Most people want to make money. The product is important. The product is very important because it has to add value to your brand. If your product doesn't add value to your brand, it is very difficult to tell other people about it. Now, one for me is an incredibly value add that you can give to people. That they can just go, they can register. When you register, you've got a 7-day free trial. I didn't mention that. You've got 7 days free that you can have a look, build your page, see what it's like. And within those 7 days, you can decide now, am I going to go license? Am I going to go pro? What am I going to do? Am I going to take the bundle, go once off 350 Rand, and there we go. But every day that you wait, people are registering and people are filling the matrix. It's a first come in, first place. So whenever you go pro, that is when you are placed into the matrix. Okay. So there are two ways of how you can make money. First of all, if you come in with a lifetime license activation fee, you pay that 150 Rand. You can earn a once-off referral bonus of 50 Rand off of the people directly underneath you. Those indirectly underneath you, if anybody directly underneath you brings someone in, you will earn 25 Rand from that. And even if you're just on lifetime, even if you just paid the 150 Rand, you have the ability to start earning that money. Like I said, with One For Me, we want to always give people the opportunity to make money because that's what people need. I want to help people go from zero to earning 3,000 Rand, 5,000 Rand, 10,000 Rand a month. But how can I do that if it's difficult for you to just even come in? So what I'm saying is with your 150 Rand, I can already help you. You just need to work the system. I will already help you. The only difference is you will not be plugged into the matrix. So that's the disadvantage if you're only on the lifetime license activation fee, only the 150 Rand. Going pro needs advantages. One of the advantages is you are plugged into the matrix and you can use any of the other pro features in the system. So now when you go pro, you plugged into the matrix. It's a 2x12 binary matrix. That's very deep. Not many network marketing companies pays that deep on a binary matrix. As soon as you go pro, your date and time of pro is taken into consideration, and that is when it places you into the matrix. the matrix is not at the moment built yet because we are in a transition phase where we are going over from the linear into the matrix phase. The matrix kicks off on the 1st of December. So next week, no, by the end of this week sometime, I'm going to build, physically build. I've already got the machine that's going to build the matrix. And it's going to start from the first person in, and then it's just going to take from date, and it's going to fill the matrix up. Okay, I've already tested that. I've had to test it. I need to test a couple of more things before I go with that live. But the sooner you go pro, the sooner you will be placed into the matrix. And if you understand the binary matrix, timing is a strategy. Urgency is a strategy. If you come in quickly and if you come in urgently, that is a strategy to benefit from spillover. Okay. The Pro was always 240 Rand a month. I reduced that. It is now only 200 Rand a month. That is effective immediately, straight away. When you go, you register right now, all you will have to pay is that 200 Rand. I've taken the 240 out. The monthly subscription for Pro is 200 Rand. As a Pro, on your first two levels, your first two spots, you earn 25 Rand each. That is huge. That takes off a huge chunk from your monthly subscription. So when you get two spots filled up, those first two spots, whether you bring them in or whether they come in from spillover, you're going to earn 25 Rand regardless, just by going pro. That's 50 bucks every single month. When you've got those two spots filled and nothing else, every month the system will credit your wallet with 50 Rand, debit it with 200 Rand monthly subscription. You will have minus 150 Rand that you need to top up in the next month. And that's it. It's not a 200 Rand, it's 150 Rand. And then as your matrix grows, that value will just decrease. When you come in, the matrix runs from cycle, month to month. So on the first of each month, your wallet will be loaded and the debits will run, the compression will happen, everything will happen on the first day of every month. Let me just quickly show you how the matrix builds. So let's say, for example, you come in. Let's say you bring in nobody. The matrix will place someone on your first spot and then someone on your second spot. You're still not bringing in nobody, but the matrix, the people above you are building. The people above you are bringing people in, especially when you've got strong leaders like Lukaylin. You know, that girl, she pumps the system. She goes. She's a red hot. It puts person in the position number 1 of your first person. It doesn't fill position number 2 until all the first positions are filled, so that the matrix fills up balanced. So then you will see it'll fill up spot number 2. So let's say one person brings in, so that person has brought in one themselves. That is a personal, so they fill up their spot number 1. But the matrix will continue, fill up spot number 2 on your second level. Then it will go, it'll see that spot number 1 is filled up. On your third level, it'll then go and fill up spot number 1 on your third level of your next person. Spot number 1. Then that person brings in another personal. But the matrix will carry on filling in all the spots number 1s. And then it will fill in spot number 2, until that entire line is filled up with people. And then the matrix will start filling up. Spot number 1, 1, 1, until it's at the end, and then it will fill up spot number 2. So do you see how balanced the matrix is built to fill up the spots? So it doesn't fill up spot 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and work its way all the way through. No, it doesn't do that. On the line, it first does 1, 1, 1, 1. It just builds a more, so that the people who are sitting on the one side of the matrix don't wait forever for spillover. Okay? Because if the system builds it 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, the people on the one side of the matrix waits forever for spillover. And that is why I have built it like that, is so that it just builds balanced and equally. Okay, let's have a look at income. Let's have a look at what you can earn. So when you start off on a rank 1, you have all your levels from 1 until level 6 unlocked. I'm not going to talk about level 1. Remember, on level 1, you get 25 Rand for spot 1 and spot 2. Remember that. Then, from level 2 to level 6, which is unlocked, as a rank 1, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to bring in one person. Your entire matrix can be filled up with only spillover. You will earn 2 Rand from every single person all the way down to level 6. I'm going to have to shoot over to the side now so that we can see this. Okay, so all the way down to level 6, you will earn 2 Rand per person. And that's it. You don't have to do a thing. If your matrix is filled up, that is a total of only 126 people. You can see here, it says that 126 people. With only that amount of people and the matrix filled up, you will earn 298 Rand every single month. Every single month. Now, some people might ask, how quickly will that fill up? I don't know. That could fill up in a month. That could fill up in 6 months' time. It could fill up in a week's time. Who knows? Who knows how quickly that's going to fill up when we launch internationally and our international friends start coming in and they start taking advantage of the system and they start building and building and building. Who's gonna take advantage? Who's gonna benefit from all of that spillover and growth? Okay, that's rank 1. Rank 2, you unlock level 7 now, and now you earn 4 Rand per person. So now, all the way up to level 7, that is 256 people in total in your matrix that you can earn 4 Rand from. That increases your maximum income to 1,058 Rand. And that is just by bringing in 2 people. You will see there at the top, the qualify. The qualify is 2 pros. If you want to double, quadruple your income, bring in 2 people. That's it. One more level in the matrix will unlock, level 7, and you will earn 4 Rand per person instead of 2. Your maximum total income that you can earn by just bringing in 2 people when your matrix is full is just over 1,000 Rand. How's that? How's that for a little bit of extra income every single month for a side hustle? For a business that is attached to what you are currently doing. It's not even your primary business. It's just a tool that you use for your primary business, but it's an income generating tool. That's what it is. So let's skip level rank 3. Let's go on to rank 4. Rank 4, you unlock all the way down. I have to shoot over a little bit, yeah, to level 9. Okay, rank 3, level 8, rank 4, level 9. You will earn 10 Rand for every single person in your matrix between level 2 and level 9. 10 Rand. That is a monthly income, a maximum monthly income once this matrix is full of 10,000, just over 10,000 Rand. If you want to build your matrix this size, that is about 1,022 people. 1,022 people. And we hear that networks build 10, 20, 30,000 people. Out of those 30,000 people, can you have 1,000 of that within your matrix? If you do, and you've only brought in 4 pros, you've ranked up to rank 4, that is only 4 personal registrations, only 4 personal pros. You have the ability in this matrix to earn over 10,000 Rand. Then rank 6 and rank 5, 6, and 7, these are leadership ranks where you can earn a little bit more. It unlocks all the way to level 12. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but it goes all the way down to level 12. And you unlock with rank 7 a maximum income. If your matrix is full, that's 4,000 people. No, 8,000 people. 8,000 people that you can earn 20 Rand from. You know, that is anywhere between 30,000 and 163,000 Rand that you can earn every single month. Now, that will make a little bit of a difference to my to how I live life. Okay, let's have a look at what this really is. What is this all about? You are not just joining a company. One for me is not just a company. You are literally positioning yourself at the start of an economic wave. All companies have a huge wave in the beginning, and then they kind of like just plateau out, and the increase is a little bit more subtle. We haven't even hit this wave yet. We are still on the introductory phase. We are on the phase where people are only starting to get to know of One For Me. So very little people know of One For Me. But I can see every single day the interest is increasing. And this wave, we are starting to hit this increase. We are getting there very close. Where do you want to be positioned when we hit this wave? This is one of those rare times where speed equals strategy. Join early, position early, and benefit early. A binary matrix position creates urgency because timing matters. Now, One For Me is low risk, high reward. Brand new people, 350 Rand. If you haven't registered with One For Me, 350 Rand. If you have registered with One For Me and you have paid your 150 Rand license activation fee, then you just need to pay 200 Rand to upgrade. That's it. 200 Rand, upgrade you to Pro, plug into the matrix, and you just build your system and you start. What you are doing is you are promoting your current business. You are promoting Live Good. You are promoting Momentum Tech, AI. But you are promoting it with a tool that helps you generate income. There's nothing better than that. One For Me is positioned itself in such an incredible opportunity. It's going to flood the industry because you can attach absolutely any network marketing company, any entrepreneur to One For Me. I've got hairdressers, I've got photographers, I've got personal trainers, I've got nail technicians, I've got all of these types of people using One For Me. People who aren't even interested in the business. People love the product and they use it. Now's an opportunity just to jump on, take hold of it, and add it to your basket of income generating products. Come in now, pay your 350, and you don't have to pay a cent again until the end of January. For the entire December, the entire January, all we do is we build, spillover, build, spillover. You don't pay again until the end of January. The best time to join was yesterday. The second best time to join is before I finish this presentation. So, what does this really mean? It means that you are setting yourself up for a powerful December, momentum growing in January. We don't have to worry about a January month because by that time, hopefully, we would have built your matrix, your network, that you can have a little bit of extra pocket money, 1,000, 2,000 Rand extra. And a matrix position that only gets more valuable as the company grows. Now that is an investment. You are positioning yourself into a position that only grows more in value as the days go by, as people get added to the matrix, as more people come in as pro every single day. And that number is just increasing every single day as more and more people learn about One For Me. I've got One For Me. Do you? And there we go. That is our presentation. Thank you so very much. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it. Thank you for being. Wow, look at that. Got a whole bunch of people on. Thank you for your time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. Are there any questions? Do any one of you have any questions? If you do, you can unmute yourself or you can put it in the chat. If you don't have any questions, then I've done a good job. And then I guess the next thing you want to know is how do you register? How do you get on board? Well, what I would do is contact Luke Kalen. Tell Luke Kalen, please send me your business page. Right at the bottom of the business page, you go on, you click join, one for me, and then you just go through the process. Remember to add the promo code so that you can get the discount. And then all you pay is 350 Rand. Today was payday, people. Moenie slaap op payday nie. People are joining as pros. Take the advantage, do it, and let's go for it. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you for your time. Let me stop this recording.